shadow beside me.
What in the heck is going on here?
Dunno.
Oh, yeah. We are coming in the wrong direction.
That guy just made a U-turn in. You've got to be kidding me. He's not. He wants to come back to this exit. You gotta be kidding. Wow.
That's what happened.
He wants. I have no. I think he